Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the variation of ionization enthalpy in a periodic table. So first, variation along a period. What is period? That is the horizontal rows. So ionization enthalpy increases with increase in atomic number, right? So because on moving from left to right, the size of atom decreases. अगर साइज डिक्रीज कर रहे हैं तो अट्रैक्शन इंक्रीज करोगी न्यूक्लियस ते आउटर मोस्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन वाल. सो जी अट्रैक्शन अगर इंक्रीज करोगी तो आपा कोल आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी क्या करोगी, इंक्रीज करोगी. सो वी आर talking about the variation of ionization enthalpy in a periodic table, right? So with the increase in atomic number, the forces of attraction increases as the size becomes smaller. So ionization enthalpy increases. So IE increases along period. Because on moving along a period, the nuclear charge increases and the atomic size decreases. Thus, valence electron are more and more attracted towards nucleus. So we need more energy to remove electron from outermost shell. अगर जिन्ना छोटा साइज होगा attraction ज्यादा होगी, अपन को ज्यादा एनर्जी लगानी पड़ेगी इलेक्ट्रॉन को क्या करने वास्ते, बाहर निकालने वास्ते. And hence ionization keep on increasing. Some irregularities are noticed due to the half-filled or a fully filled configuration. सिर्फ दो ही exception आ गया, that is your half-filled configuration and one is your fully filled configuration. When moving along a period, it would have a exceptional characters of high ionization enthalpy. From this particular chart, what we get? कि ionization enthalpy increases when we move along a period. So let us discuss. On moving across a period from left to right, the nuclear charge increases. जेड़ा atomic number है increase कर रहा है, तो number of proton भी increase कर रहे हैं. So the atomic size decreases along a period through the mean energy shell remains the same. So how we are going to show this trend towards this particular series? First, from lithium to beryllium, on moving from lithium to beryllium, there is an increase in ionization enthalpy, and this is due to increase in nuclear charge and the smaller atomic size. So it can be easily explained. क्योंकि छोटा साइज हो गया, attraction क्या होगी, बढ़ेगी. तो इस करके आपा कोल जेड़ा ionization enthalpy क्या करगी, increase करगी. Okay. Then आपा कोल फेर नीचे चलेगी to the boron to 899 to 800 chalegi. So what does it mean? So although the nuclear charge of boron is more than beryllium, atomic number 5 है, इधर atomic number 4 हैगा, पर it has a exceptional greater stability. क्यों? Because of the electronic configuration. What is the atomic number of boron is 5, beryllium is 4. The configuration is going to be 1s2, 2s2, 2p1, and the configuration here is 1s2, 2s2. भाई s ऑर्बिटल्स कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन आ सकते हैं, 2 हैगे कितने हैं, 2, तो स्टेबल है. पर इथे कितने हैगे, p ऑर्बिटल एक आ गया, मतलब एक ऐसा ऑर्बिटल दे विच इलेक्ट्रॉन आ गया जो मैं बहुत जल्दी रिमूव कर सकती है. सो अगर जल्दी रिमूव कर सकती है तो आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी क्या होगी, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी लेस. सो व्हेन वी कंसीडर द सेम प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर as shell is attracted to the nucleus, कल आप पेनिट्रेशन टर्म पढ़ी सीगी. सो जिन्ना ज्यादा कोई चीज कोल होगी, एट्रैक्टिव फोर्सेस ज्यादा होंगे. इन बेरिलियम द electron removed during ionization is a s electron, whereas in boron it is p electron. Thus we know that the penetration of 2s electron to the nucleus is more than the 2p electron. Therefore 2p electron of boron is more shielded. ये जो shielding effect क्या है, ज्यादा रुकावटाएं, ज्यादा inner cores है ने, and hence it is easier to remove electron from a p orbital as compared to the s orbital. Done. Next, we are going to discuss about boron and carbon and nitrogen. So this is a similar trend. It's no problem, right? As we move from boron to carbon to nitrogen, ionization enthalpy keep on increasing due to increase in nuclear charge and decreasing size. Done. Then again there is exception of oxygen. भाई ये तो half filled configuration है, पर ये half filled configuration नहीं है. So oxygen the element, right? So in oxygen the element is having a configuration of 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So 2p4 आ गया, so it need half filled, तो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन ज्यादा आ गया, so I need 2 more electron either to filled configuration or I have to lose 1 electron to have a half filled configuration. So neither, because it is an atom, so it is going to be less stable as compared to half filled configuration. This is what we have discussed here. Then you have a fluorine and neon, which goes with the same trend of increasing atomic number and nuclear charge and decreasing the size. So now we are going to discuss about the variation down the group. ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ as we move down the series, the atomic shell is going to be increase. अगर atomic shell increase करोगी, ਜਿਹੜੀ attraction हैगी towards outermost ਕੱਟ ਜਾਊਗੀ. अगर attraction ਕੱਟ ਜਾਊਗੀ ਤਾਂ electron बहुत जल्दी ਆਪਾਂ remove कर सकते हैं from the outermost shell. So when we move down a group, the attractive forces decreases, electron can be easily removed, so ionization enthalpy is going to be decreased. So within a group there is a gradual decrease in ionization enthalpy in moving from top to bottom. So let us make a chart to explain it. From here what we conclude, lithium has a greater ionization enthalpy, and when we move down a group, ionization decreases to 374 kilojoule per mole. So what does mean? So ज़्यादा अपन नीचे जाने हैं, attractive forces क्या कर दी हैं? Decrease. So on going from top to bottom in a group, the nuclear charge increases. There is a gradual increase in atomic size due to additional main energy shell. There is an increase in shielding effect also on the outermost shell due to the increase in the number of inner shell electrons. So what we get is कि nuclear charge क्या कर रहे हैं? Increase कर रहे हैं. Second, there is a gradual increase in atomic size. Atomic size increase कर रहे हैं क्योंकि shell increase कर रही है due to increase in shell. And the third one is your shielding effect. Shielding मतलब रुकावट जो एक पैदा कर रही है कौन? Inner electrons towards the outermost. So ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ attraction क्या करोगी? Decrease करोगी और ionization enthalpy क्या करोगी? Decrease करोगी, right? Now we are going to talk about successive ionization enthalpy. What does successive means? लगातार, एक तो बाद एक. So it is a successive ionization enthalpy. So the energy is required to remove the subsequent electrons from the atom in the gaseous state are called as successive ionization enthalpy. So which are energies which are required to remove subsequent electrons from the atom in gaseous state are known as successive ionization enthalpy. We'll quote an example for it. Suppose this is your M metal which is in gaseous state. अगर अब ਉਹਦੇ ਚੋਂ ਇੱਕ electron remove करना है, so it is a ionization enthalpy 1. I'm going to remove one electron, becomes a M positive. It has to be a gaseous state because it has to be isolated gaseous state for the ionization enthalpy. One electron has been removed. Subsequently, the second one, which is M positive, right? If I'm going to remove another electron, it becomes M2 positive in a gaseous state, and it is also going to remove one electron. Similarly, for the M2 positive, the third ionization enthalpy is going to be IE3, which is M3 positive in the gaseous state in the electron. So these are called as successive 1, 2 and 3. The ionization enthalpy 1, 2 and 3 represent the first, second and third ionization enthalpy. For example, lithium in its gaseous state becomes lithium positive and an electron is removed. The ionization enthalpy for the first is 520 kilojoule per mole, while lithium positive has lithium 2 positive plus an electron is removed, so this is a second ionization enthalpy which is 7298 kilojoule per mole. Means I have to apply this amount of energy to remove the successive electron. So resultantly what do we get a question कि जेडी आपा कोल successive ionization enthalpy है, that is always going to be more and more and more, right? So it is 520 and this is 7298. क्यों? क्योंकि ਉਹਦੇ ਚੋਂ ਇੱਕ इलेक्ट्रॉन remove हो गया. Now the hold of the nucleus towards outermost is going to be increased. Why? This is your 2s and this is your this. So it is a 1s2 2s1. configuration. अगर एक इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव हो गया, प्रोटॉन आर 3, electron are 2, the attraction is going to be more, shell is decreased, attraction is going to increase, the ionization enthalpy क्या करूगी, ज्यादा करूगी. So the ionization enthalpy always increases with the successive ionization enthalpies. So another example, that is the aluminium to aluminium 1 positive, the ionization enthalpy is 577 and the successive one is 1795 and the successive is 2758. So what does it show? With the increase, right? There is an increase in ionization enthalpy. So the second ionization enthalpy is higher than the first ionization enthalpy due to the fact the removal of the first electron. The atom changes into monovalent positive ion. In the ion, the number of electron decreases. Ions ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ number of electron decrease कर जाएंगे, nuclear charge उतना ही हैगा, nuclear charge remains same. As a result, the remaining electrons are held more tightly to the nucleus and it becomes difficult to remove the second electron. Hence, the value of second ionization enthalpy is always greater than that of a first one. So in this way, the removal of the second electron, second electron अगर आप रिमूव किया है, it becomes a dipositive. Aluminium 2 positive बन चुका है. So attraction और increase हो जाएगी क्योंकि न्यूक्लियर जेड़ा पॉजिटिव हैगा वो 13 है और इलेक्ट्रॉन कितने रह गए 12, 11. सो अट्रैक्शन और इंक्रीज करूगी क्योंकि वो 10 बनना चाहता है to achieve a noble gas configuration. So this results in a higher value of third ionization enthalpy as compared to the successive one. Let's do some questions to understand about the successive ionization enthalpy. So which of the following of the four would have the lower ionization enthalpy out of chlorine and fluorine, which is going to have a lower ionization enthalpy? So the answer must be a chlorine is to have a lower first ionization enthalpy because fluorine ionization enthalpies decreases down the group because fluorine comes first, fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine, right? So जिमें जिमें आप नीचे जावांगे, as we move down, the ionization enthalpy is going to be decreased. Second option, chlorine or sulfur. The answer is going to be sulfur. Why? Sulfur is expected to have a lower ionization enthalpy because chlorine ionization enthalpy increases along a period when moved from a left to right because the atomic number of sulfur is 16 and that of chlorine is 17. So when we move along a period, the atomic size decreases, ionization enthalpy increases. So the answer kidi cut hogi, that is your sulfur. Next is your out of potassium and argon. Argon is already having a noble gas configuration, so which is going to have a lesser ionization. I have talked about the lower ionization enthalpy. Answer is your potassium, right? क्योंकि potassium the configuration 19 the मतलब हैगा 2, 8, 8, 1. So one electron can be easily removed. Thus it would have a lower ionization enthalpy. बहुत जल्दी electron move हो जाएगा because of the higher quantum number also as well as one electron in outermost shell. While this is a stable noble gas configuration, and out of xenon and krypton, which is going to have a greater or lower ionization enthalpy. पहली गल था when we move, so it is a हीना, नीना और करीना का X-ray रंगीन. So when we move down a group, right? So helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. So what we have discussed कि जब अपन नीचे जावांगे तो atomic number increase करूगा, पर all these are noble gases, they are going to have a high ionization enthalpy. But out of the krypton and xenon, which is up, which is krypton, so attraction फिर भी ज्यादा होगी, नीचे जाके attraction क्या हो जाएगी, decrease हो जाएगी, इस करके ionization enthalpy क्या होगी, increase or decrease, it is going to be decrease. So the answer is going to be xenon, which is going to have a lower ionization enthalpy. Out of these sets which I'm going to write, predict which is going to have a largest ionization enthalpy. You have a fluorine, you have oxygen and you have a neon, nitrogen. So out of all these, which is going to have the largest ionization enthalpy, it is going to be fluorine, right? Why? Because when we move along a period, size क्या करता है, decrease करता है. Size अगर decrease करूँगा तो आपका कुल attraction क्या करूँगी, increase करूँगी, तो ionization enthalpy क्या करूँगी, increase करूँगी. And out of magnesium, phosphorus and argon, which is going to be the answer, it is going to be the argon. Argon is a exceptional noble gas configuration, so it has a highest ionization enthalpy. The third one is boron, aluminium and gallium. The answer is going to be boron because it's having 1s2. as we move along a period, size क्या करता है, decrease. This is your boron, aluminium, बैंगन, आलू, गाजर. So when we have बैंगन, आलू, गाजर in theli, right? So this is boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. So when we move down a group, size क्या करता है, increase. The ionization enthalpy क्या कर दी है, decrease. So it is going to have a highest. जितना छोटा size और the ionization enthalpy क्या होगी, ज्यादा होगी.